is upon you. Where did Jesus Christ was loved? Can you tell me which office did Jesus Christ agreed with what he was doing? The Sadducees, the Pharisees, the high priest. When I'm talking of the high priest, I'm talking of the people of the law. I'm talking about the counselors. I'm talking about the politicians. I'm talking about the philosophers. Jesus Christ, he was created by the glory of the Father. So the glory of the Father, if it is upon you, nothing will stop you. I'll come in the year of infinity, my God. I come into the year of the infinity, my God. Because the year of infinity is the year whereby there is no boundary. And the year of the infinity is the year whereby there is no death in front of you. Amen. You come out, the Bible said in the book of Psalms, you shall go through the path of death, and death will never touch you. You shall go through the persecution, but the persecution shall never do anything to you. Somebody shall